The number one question I hear from clients and new colors is, how much 20 volume developer do I mix with hair color? Let's answer that in just 10 seconds. The general rule is 1 part color to 2 parts 20 volume developer. So if you have 2 ounces of color, you'll mix it with 4 ounces of developer. But why does this rule vary from one brand to the next? Let's find out the answer in this video. Hi and welcome back to Cosmetic World, your trusted resource for hair color tips and tutorials. I'm Celine, a hairstylist based in North America. Before we go any deeper on the subject, let's quickly talk about what developer does and why 20 volume is the go-to choice for majority of professional hair colorists. Developer is a hydrogen peroxide that opens the cuticle and helps the color process. Mostly for deposit, 20 volume is the workhorse. It gives you about 1 to 2 levels of lift and great gray coverage. 30 and 40 volume are stronger, but they're typically used for more advanced lightening, where more level of lift is required. Before we get into today's tutorial, I would just like to quickly run through our YouTube disclaimer. Cosmetic World's hair coloring tutorials are for informational purposes only. Therefore, we accept no liability for any outcomes when using any of these products or techniques mentioned in this video. Remember to always do a patch test beforehand and consult a professional prior to use for your own safety. But here's where things get a little tricky. Different professional color lines have different mixing ratios. Let's compare 3 of the most popular in the industry: L'Oreal Majorelle, Schwarzkopf Igora Royale, and Rella Colson Perfect. Majorelle mixes 1 part color and 1.5 parts developer. Igora Royale and Colson Perfect are both 1:1. So if you're using Majorelle, 2 ounces of color means 3 ounces of developer. If you're using Igora or Colson, it's 2 ounces of color to 2 ounces of developer. Seems pretty straightforward, right? That's why it's so important to check the leaflet or instructions for your specific color line instead of relying only on the general rule. And what about adjusting ratios for hair length and hair thickness? Here's a quick cheat sheet to help guide you. For shorter or thinner hair, you'll often use a ratio closer to 1:1. For medium or thick hair, 1:2 works beautifully. That is 1 part color to 2 parts developer. And for long thick hair, you may need closer to 1 to 2.5. Remember, these are just guidelines. Your brand's formula always comes first. The most reliable way to measure is with a digital scale. Professional stylists never guess, and neither should you. We typically use a Babyliss Pro for its accuracy and reliability. But if you're coloring at home and don't have one, you can use measuring spoons, a small kitchen cup, or even a syringe for accuracy, as long as you know your numbers. And here's a quick safety tip. Never mix in metal bowls or with metal spoons. Developers can react with metal. Always use plastic or glass tools to avoid altering the chemistry of your mixture, which would lead to incorrect and uneven application of the chosen color. Once your mixture is smooth and creamy, apply it evenly with a tint brush. Work methodically from the roots to ends. Processing times vary by brand. Majorelle typically recommends about 35 minutes. Colson 30 to 45 minutes. Igora Royale 30 to 45 minutes. Always defer to your color line's leaflet. So what if you get the ratio wrong? Too much developer, the color may fade quickly. You'll have less coverage and hair can end up dry. Not enough developer, your results may be patchy and uneven. Leaving it on too long, over-processing can damage hair. Not long enough, the color won't fully develop. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for the latest special offers. If you'd like to learn more, check out our full blog on mixing ratios. It's linked in the description. And if you need professional hair colors, developers, bowls and brushes, or professional scale, you'll find a large range at www.cosmeticworld.ca with professional shipping available. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye!